In the world of agriculture, IoT is transforming the way we cultivate our lands. These small, powerful sensors are embedded in the soil to gather data on moisture levels, temperature, and nutrient content. This data is then transmitted in real time to a central dashboard, allowing farmers to monitor and make informed decisions. With precision irrigation, water resources are optimized. IoT technology ensures that crops receive just the right amount of water. Drones equipped with cameras assess crop health. Any signs of disease or stress are quickly identified and addressed. IoT-based pest control systems use smart traps to monitor and capture pests, reducing the needs for harmful pesticides. Farmers can manage their farms remotely through mobile apps, receiving alerts and updates on their smartphones. Data analytics and AI are harnessed to make predictions, optimize crop yields, and reduce waste. The benefits of IoT in agriculture are clear: increased yields, reduced cost, and a healthier environment. As we embrace this digital revolution, agriculture is poised to furnish IoT agriculture, where innovation meets cultivation and future takes root.
Bloody sweet.